You have to give CA exam 2021, and today's SC's final hearing had to come. In fact, sorry, today we took a little bit a long time to because we had to analyze what the actual the thing is, what is the actual picture that we had to come on that conclusion. In fact, so actually coming to the point, aspirants actually, as you know, REIT was filed by Anubha Srivastav Sahai, who is child right activist also, and it was demanded that, firstly postponement of the exam 2021, secondly opt out option also, and thirdly extra attempt for valid reasons, and fourth increase of examination center because per state only 4 to 5 centers are there. SC Supreme Court has considered few out of these four, and one thing which Supreme Court did not consider is the examination date. Examination date will be same. It is ranging from July 5th to July 20th. In fact, in a deferred way. Which was scheduled also by ICAI, but it is under some conditions. It is subject to conditions. Examination will be taken. In fact, firstly, Supreme Court has told opt-out option must be given. Secondly, extra attempt must be considered, must be given to the aspirants for the valid reasons. Means for opt-out and for extra attempt, valid reasons must be there, and then number of centers also must be increased. Further, Supreme Court has quoted that if any of the aspirant is suffering from COVID, or any family member of the aspirant is suffering from COVID, he or she will not be able to appear in the exam. So those type of aspirants must be given the next chance also. Moreover, Supreme Court quoted and told ICAI that you have changed the syllabus also. Old syllabus will not work, and aspirants will have to again prepare themselves for the new syllabus. So it will require extra energy, and it is very much troublesome to prepare for any examination. Moreover, if any aspirant is suffering health-wise, it takes at least 3 months to recoup complete energy and for prepare for anything. So aspirants must be given extra chance for appearance in the examination, and also opt-out option must be given to them for the valid reason, for which an authority will be there, must be assigned to issue the certificate, and they will cross check all the things whether it is genuine case or not, and for that they are bound to issue a certificate for that mentioning that these type of aspirants must be given chance for opt-out option or extra attempt. So few of the demand has been accepted and few not. So this is I will say this is a mixed final hearing, and draft is going on according to that. So please, aspirants, prepare well. Best of luck for your exam, and please subscribe it, share it, and like it, so that maximum persons also must be informed and benefited with it, and they also must prepare well. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.